Let's talk about pests and beneficial uh, flowers in your garden. Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. Today we're going to talk about what pests might be hiding in your beneficial flowers. Let's take a look. I got to removing some tomatoes, and if you can notice here, I was pulling the marigolds up that were in that row so I could replant it. And I found where I kept having problems with my worms because I didn't treat my marigolds for my loopers and army worms and stuff. But once I removed some of the flowers, and I noticed some on the ground, and here's the result. There's actually over in here, there's some bigger ones moving around. But what you want to do is, and marigolds are supposed to be beneficial. They keep a lot of the pests out of your garden, but I want you to know that they can also be a breeding ground for pests. And it's really hard to spray these, especially when your pollinators are here, because you don't want to kill your pollinators. So you have to make a choice. I don't know if my choice might be to not plant the marigolds if this is going to be a breeding ground. It's really hard to treat these. You could use BT late in the evening, but what I find, especially in the hotter months, is that a lot of the bumblebees and stuff, they'll tend to spend the night or nest on the flowers during the evening. You'll find them out there the next morning. So even with BT, you get it on them, I think you might do some harm to them. I'm not sure. It's got to be ingested, but like I say, you're going to have to look to see where your pests are. I hope this video is helpful. If you want to see more of my videos, just subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button and share it. It really helps my channel.